What if your next coworker isn't human? AI agents are learning, working, and competing with us, faster than anyone expected. A change is coming to the world of work. It arrives not with a thunderous sound, but with the quiet hum of a server and the silent flicker of code across a screen. Look closely at the modern office desks and chairs meetings deadlines. But now, something new emerges from the digital ether. It is an intelligence not of flesh and blood, but of data and algorithms. What if your next coworker never sleeps, never makes a mistake, learns faster than any human ever could, isn't human at all? The air seems to crackle with potential, a silent, profound transformation underway. The familiar rhythm of the workplace is being rewritten. A bustling office sounds of keyboards, conversation begins to shift. Walls dissolve into data-flowing streams of information, vast digital rivers of light and logic. One desk, a person, focused and thoughtful beside them. A holographic AI materializes, sorting thousands of emails in seconds. A world both strange and familiar, a future that has become our present. This new presence is the AI agent. Not a robot of metal and wires, but a sophisticated computer program, a digital mind for specific tasks. They can read and comprehend vast text, compose coherent replies, organize complex schedules with flawless precision. Some are given a voice capable of conversing like a human assistant. Others are given digital eyes, scanning and verifying images or documents, spotting errors invisible to humans. Relentless learners constantly refining from the endless flow of data. The tension is palpable, a silent competition, a race that has just begun. Humans with long-established work patterns now share the domain with tireless digital counterparts. The AI agents are here learning, working, evolving at incomprehensible speed. Not merely tools, active participants, collaborators, and for some, competitors. The question hangs in every office and industry, not if they will change our world, but how we will adapt to a world they are already changing. So, what exactly are these AI agents? In the simplest terms, they are autonomous software programs designed to perceive their environment and take actions to achieve specific goals. They are the invisible workforce, the silent assistants carrying out the repetitive, predictable tasks that often consume so much of our valuable time. Imagine an agent tasked with customer service. It can instantly access a customer's entire history. The landscape of work is being reshaped, but this is not a battle of man versus machine. It is an invitation to form a new kind of partnership, a symbiosis between human and artificial intelligence. Design workflows that leverage the best of both worlds. We can delegate the routine, the repetitive, the data-intensive tasks to our AI agents, freeing the human mind from cognitive clutter. Focus on what truly matters. The future of work won't be man versus machine. It's man with machine.